Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. I pray that all is well and you all are in the best of health and spirits. It is your sister, Denise Renee Muhammad, coming on this afternoon to give you some credit tips. If your goal this year is to purchase a home, I definitely want to share with you how your credit score affects the rates on your mortgage. So as you come in, please share the video. Share the video. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. So share this out. Like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. So thank you all for tuning in. I greatly, greatly appreciate you. Again, it is your sister, Denise Renee Muhammad, and I'm coming on to talk about how your credit score affects your mortgage rates. If your goal, one of your goals is to purchase a home this year in 2021, you definitely want to tune in to this and share it with your friends as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get into it and get started. More than ever before, the credit market demands that you have a high credit score. Your credit score, whether it's low or high, it affects, especially if it is low. If you have a low credit score, it definitely affects the interest rate that you will pay on your mortgage. And the lower it is, the more money you're gonna be out of pocket. So I want to come on and talk about that today, and I'm going to share some information with you. For large mortgage loans, if you have to take out a loan to purchase a mortgage, if you don't have bags of cash to where you can go out and purchase your home just outright, and you have to get a mortgage, you definitely want to have your credit score in a high standing, at least in the 700s, and I'm going to show you why. All right. Lending guidelines have become more restrictive. So, your credit score, you have to be at a certain score even to apply for a home. You have to be working on that prior to even applying for a loan. So, I'm going to show you how your credit score affects your interest rate and how that affects your bottom line, your pocket. All right. So let me share my screen. All right. And bear with me. Let's see. Bear with me. I want to share this. Okay. Here we go. All right. And let me know if you're tuned in. Let me know if you can hear me okay. Type a one in the chat if you can see what I'm sharing. Type a one in the chat. Let me bring it up. All right. And let me know if you can see what I am sharing with you. All right. So as you can see here, if your credit score falls in a 620 to 639, look at this, how it affects your monthly payments and your total interest paid on a $200,000. This is based on a 30-year fixed mortgage of $200,000 according to May 2010 interest rates from myfico.com. So this is based on May, excuse me, May of 2010 interest rates. This is just an example. You know, the rates are different right now because we are in 2021. So, but I just wanted to show you this as an example. So, if your FICO score is between 620 and 639, you can see the higher interest rate at 6.334%. Your monthly payment would be 1,242. Total interest paid on a $200,000 30-year fixed mortgage you would pay $247,257 in total interest. Um, and extra interest, it says extra interest paid from 760 to 850 credit score. So the extra interest that you paid on this mortgage is $71,888 based on a credit score of between 620 and 639, right? So look at this, 640 to 659, it goes down a little bit, 5.788%. The mortgage monthly payment would be 1172. Total interest paid $221,912, and the extra interest that you paid on this mortgage is 46,543. All right. So, and as you can see, the different rates, it goes down. The higher your credit score is, your interest rate goes down. So if you get it up to in the 700s, 700 between 700 and 759, the interest rate goes down to 4.967%. Your monthly payment is only 1070. The total interest paid $185,061, and the extra interest you paid is $9,692. Right. All right. And if you're in the 760 to 850 credit range, which is 850 is the highest, your interest rate, your APR is 4.745%. Your monthly payment on a $200,000 30-year fixed mortgage would only be $1,043. Total interest paid $175,369, and you have paid nothing extra in interest when you have a perfect credit score. All right. So yeah, so the higher your credit score, the lower your monthly payment and the less interest you pay. So if you're in the market of purchasing a home, you definitely want to be working on your credit score now. And just down here where it says what lenders look for on a borrower's credit report, they look for outstanding debt, excuse me, outstanding debt relative to the total available debt, length of credit history, the pursuit of new credit, how many times you pursued new credit. Lenders prefer borrowers tongue tied. All right. Lenders prefer low balance credit cards and loans. So they prefer when you have low balances, low credit utilization. All right. That makes up 30% of your credit score. They prefer uh, a long history. Excuse me. They they prefer a long history of on-time payments. I'm sorry, and a credit mix, a good credit mix, which is a couple of credit cards, a car loan, and a mortgage if you had it previously. But this is what they prefer: low balances on credit cards and loans, a long history of on time payments, and your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, and a good credit mix. All right, so that is how, let me change my screen back. All right, so that is how your credit score affects your mortgage payments and your interest rate on your mortgages. All right, so let me see if we have any questions. Peace, sis. How are you? Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. So, yes, I wanted to just come on and share that because I know there's people out there, and I have clients as well that are working on, or one of the goals is to purchase a home this year. So you can see how important it is to have the higher the credit score, the better. All right. And if you all need assistance, definitely contact me. You can text credit to 713-482-1624, and I will be able to assist you with getting your credit score to where it needs to be. You like the chart? Thank you, sis. I appreciate you for listening and tuning in. And again, you all share this video out. That's your price of admission. Share the video. Sharing is caring. All right, you all take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace and blessings to you.